Hello guys, it's me again. Today I want to play 4X car games. Please share, subscribe and like and comment if this game is fun or not. If it is fun, I'm gonna improve it. If it is fun, thank you.
How much would you need to be paid to remove that bag off your head? Is this all blue money, as everyone suspected?
Just let me leave. If you've got nothing to hide, then prove it! What a creep. Someone who wears a mask like that only has something to hide. I have nothing to hide. What is so wrong about wearing this bag? Bro's a criminal. That's why he hides. I read somewhere he killed someone. Where did he even get that from?
Kyle? You're still up? It's late. You should...
I should what, Melody? Ignore all this? Pretend it's not happening?
I didn't say that. I just...
Do you even get what's happening right now? This isn't just some dumb rumor. They're making up the crazy stuff about me, and it's spreading like wildfire.
Kyle, they're just words on a screen.
Yeah? Easy for you to say. No one's calling you a murderer or some disfigured freak.
Do you think this is the first time people have tried to tear someone down online? It happens to everyone in the spotlight. You can't just let it...
Like what? Get to me? Oh, sorry. Let me just be completely fine while the whole world picks me apart like I'm some circus freak show.
Kyle, listen to yourself. You're spiraling.
No, you listen. This isn't just gossip. This is Blair pushing this nonsense until people believe it. And once it sticks, that's it.
Kyle, people love you. Your real fans aren't gonna turn on you just because of some dumb...
Oh my God, Melly, just stop. Just stop.
Even there's this my friend called Hanswa Nyinya.
You know what?
Please subscribe for him.
Blair win. Go ahead.
He is also my friend. Please subscribe.
Before you lose yourself.
He has only 11 subscribers. Please help me to reach 11 subscribers, and I'll make sure I'm gonna show you all how Mr. Beast looks, and I'm gonna give you the picture of Mr. Beast.
The big bad internet hurt your feelings?
This game you're playing is over. You're spreading straight up lies about me.
Lies? Oh, I don't know, Kyle. The internet seems pretty convinced. Maybe they're onto something. I mean, what's to harm in people knowing the real DJ Crafty? Or are you afraid the truth might ruin you?
Blair, if you don't stop this.
What? You can't
Now let's get started.
I hate to break it to you, bag boy, but you already did that.
I could have you fired right now.
Go ahead. Get me fired. See what happens. You think this is bad? Oh, I'm just getting started.
Manager. Yes? Is there a problem, sir? Wait, isn't that DJ Crafty? Dude, what's he doing fighting with a waitress? Never mind. Stay out of my life.
See you soon, Crafty.
Man, I don't even know how you do this. It's like the second you try to keep something private, people just lose their minds.
Welcome to Fame, dude. You're not a person anymore. You're a walking mystery box.
Let's get started.
Look, man, you've been doing this way longer than me. The mask, the mystery, the whole who is he really thing. How do you deal with the content digging, the paparazzi, the fan theories, even fake photos?
You don't.
That's it. Just ignore it.
Pretty much.
It's easy for you to say. You're not in the middle of a media circus.
You think I haven't been there? You don't remember the whole
We need to deliver this
conspiracy?
box.
Or the time someone claimed I was a literal AI?
These people don't think you're some deformed freak.
Nah, but they do think I'm an alien. Look, man, the second you decide to keep your face a secret, people are gonna obsess over it. Human nature. They won't know what they're not allowed to see.
Yeah, but it wasn't always like this.
That's because you weren't famous yet. At some point, you gotta own the mystery. Either that, or you let it own you.
Thanks, man.
No.
I needed this.
That's all good. I know a lot of people in this industry.
get to the road. Oopsie. Not fell inside it.
Yo, this is Crafty. Hey, Kyle. It's Tony from Soundwave Events. Listen, I need to talk to you about your upcoming show at the Skyline Arena. Yeah, what's up? Is everything good? Not exactly. Look, man, we're gonna have to pull you from the lineup. Wait, what? Pull me? Tony, we're talking about a sold-out show. I've been locked in for weeks. I know. And trust me, this isn't easy. But the venue's getting cold feet. Cold feet? What does that even mean? It means the rumors, Kyle, they're getting out of control. Come on, man. You don't really believe that garbage, do you? It's all just online noise. You know, making stuff up to stir the pot. That's what I thought too.
And
But then
use the shortcut.
something new popped up. What new? Someone dug up a story from your high school about you trying to burn the place down. That was an accident. So it's true. It wasn't like that. I didn't try to burn anything down. Things just got out of hand. Look, man, it doesn't matter what really happened. It's about how it looks. And you spooked. You want the bad press. So what? I'm just guilty by default now? No one even asked me for my side? That's the game, man. I'm sorry, but the decision's final. Yeah, I get it. This has got to be Blair's doing.
What was that?
Mel, stay here.
Bro, this
Kyle, don't.
I
game.
have to check.
Kyle, you are being so stupid. Just let the guards take care of this. Kyle,
Let's see what you're hiding there, you freak. You're hungry. What's the matter? Afraid the world's finally gonna see the real you? Everyone already knows what you look like. You may as well confirm it. Hey, freeze! Everyone, wants to know what's in that mask, DJ?
This game is boring.